Amazon Prime shipped 5 billion items in 2017, Supermeat gets $3 million in funding, and Telegram and Instagram are being restricted in Iran. It's Tuesday, January 2nd, and this is Crunch Report. Yo, what up? I hope y'all had a great New Year's. Keep to those resolutions and set those goals. Here's the news. Amazon e-commerce numbers are impressive, but you already knew that. The company revealed that more new paid members joined Prime worldwide in 2017 than any other year. It also noted that over 5 billion items worldwide shipped with Prime in 2017, including via one-day and two-day shipping. The company has never before released details around how many items it has shipped via Prime in a year's time, and declined to provide last year's figures for comparison purposes. 5 billion items right to your hands. That's crazy. Supermeat, an Israeli biotech and food tech startup that is developing lab-made chicken meat, has raised $3 million in seed funding. Backing Supermeat are U.S.-based venture capital fund New Crop Capital and mission-oriented VC firm Stray Dog Capital, in addition to strategic investment from PHW, one of Europe's largest poultry producers. The Tel Aviv startup has for now ditched the utopian dream of lab-grown whole organs, such as chicken breast, in favor of initially creating lab-made chicken that can be used in processed foods. My lips are watering. Messaging app Telegram and Facebook-owned social sharing platform Instagram appear to be being blocked in Iran. Iran State TV said yesterday that authorities were temporarily blocking the services to maintain peace, according to the AP news agency. The country has seen a rising wave of anti-government protests in recent days, and ministers have accused social media with a focus on Telegram of fueling dissent. Telegram CEO Pavel Durov has responded to this situation, and the reactions have been mixed with how the company's been handling it. Telegram's actions in suspending a popular channel following a state request have drawn accusations of collusion with the Iranian regime, even as the platform continues to anger the Iranian government by providing an ongoing outlet for uncensored political content. That's the report for today. Hit that like or love button, share this video, and keep raging. Crunch Report airs every weekday at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific on TechCrunch.com. You can also find us on iTunes and on YouTube. All right. See you tomorrow.